Hi Sunshine, I'm Lottie's. Welcome back to my shape room. Today, I have something shiny and a little bit tricky for you. It has 4 equal sides, but it's not a square. In the sky, like a kite, it twirls with flair. It has the form of a shiny gem, but it's not a stone. What figure is it? Guess it on your own. Yes, that shape in my hands. It's called a rhombus, and now you know. Okay, now it's time for a brainy challenge. I have 20 cute sparkling diamonds. Can you split them into 2 piles so that one pile has 2 more than the other? Think carefully. One pile needs to have 2 more diamonds than the other pile. Write your answer in the comments. And don't forget to give me a like if you had fun today. Bye-bye.